am Deepa Tabassum of Standard 5th. Honorable Director, Sir, friend as well as office bearers, I am Deepa Tabassum of Standard 5th. I am very happy to have the opportunity to express my thoughts on this auspicious day of Republic Day on 26th January 1950. It marks the occasion when Indian Constitution was first adopted and come into its effect. Indeed, the result of getting the key of success was not an easy task, but our leaders did with great zeal, enthusiasm, and thus with Constitution was implemented. Besides these things, achieved success in every field like space, defense, and many more. Now I am giving to halt with this share. ना पूछो जमाने से क्या हमारी कहानी है, ना पूछो जमाने से क्या हमारी कहानी है, हमारी पहचान तो यही है कि हम हिंदुस्तानी हैं. Thank you. Teacher, parents and all my dear friends. Good morning everyone. I am Zoya from class 5th and I wish you all a very happy Republic Day. Today we have gathered to celebrate a day not only marks our victory over the British but also signifies the triumph of our democratic. I again wish you all a very happy Independence Day to all. My dear friends, imagine a world where every citizen and single voice matter has the right to choose their leader. Imagine a world where everyone has the right to dream big and to strive relentlessly to choose their dream. I will stop my speech with share. जो दुनिया में सुनाई दे से कहते हैं खामोशी, जो दुनिया में सुनाई दे से कहते हैं खामोशी, और जो आंखों में दिखाई दे से तूफान कहते हैं. जय हिंद, जय भारत. Thank you very much. Respected directors, sir, teachers, parents and all my dear friends. My name is Sadia Parveen from class 5th. I wish you all a very happy Republic Day. Today is 26th January and we are celebrating 77th Republic Day of our country. On 26th January 1950, our constitution came into force. The constitution is the supreme law of India. We should understand the importance of this great day. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is the father of our constitution. We should respect our constitution on 26th January. The president of our country holds the flag in New Delhi. Thank you. The directors, our teachers and all my dear friends, I am Sadika Anjum wishing you a lot of happy Republic Day. Today we are gathered here to celebrate Republic Day, which is celebrated on 26th January. On this day in 1950, our Constitution of India came into effect. Our Constitution gives us important rights and also teaches us our duties as citizens. We remember and honor the great leaders such as Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar who helped in making up our Constitution. The Republic Day reminds us the value of respect, pride and honesty. We should respect our country and also teach it and also follow its rule honestly. As students, we must work hard to become a responsible citizen of India. Now I would like to say a few lines in the form of shari to express my love for our country. कुछ याद उन्हें भी किया करो जिनकी कुर्बानियों से ये मुकाम आया है. कुछ याद उन्हें भी किया करो जिनकी कुर्बानियों से ये मुकाम आया है. वो लोग भी कितने खुशनसीब रहे होंगे जिनका लघु वतन के काम आया है. Thank you. Happy Republic Day. Friends and all my dear friends, my name is Alpia Hossain, student of class 5. Today I am here to deliver my speech on this special occasion of Republic Day. At first, I wish you all a very happy Republic Day. The Constitution of India is the supreme law of our country. It provides basic framework for the government and explains the rights and duties of citizens. It is the longest written constitution in the world. The Constitution of India was adopted on 26 November 1949 and came into effect on 26 January 1950. That is why we celebrate Republic Day every year on 26th January. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar is known as the father of India Constitution. He was the chairman of the Drafting Committee and played a very important role in shaping it. Our Constitution gives us right to equality, right to freedom, right to education and many more. It also teaches us right to be a good and responsible citizen. We must always respect and follow our Constitution as it is the soul of our nation. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. पानी ना हो तो नदियाँ किस काम की, आँख ना हो तो आंसू किस काम की, दिल ना हो तो धड़कन किस काम की, अगर हम वतन के काम ना है तो जिंदगी किस काम. रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातहू. जनाब इकराम अजीज साथियों, आज मेरी तकरीर का उन्वान है 26 जनवरी यानी यौम जमहूरिया। यौम जमहूरिया हिंदुस्तान का कौमी त्योहार है। यह हर साल 26 जनवरी को मनाया जाता है। यह हमारे मुल्क के लिए बहुत फख्र का दिन है। यह हमारे मुल्क के लिए बहुत फख्र का दिन है। इस दिन हिंदुस्तान में 26 जनवरी 1950 को बनाया जाता है। इस दिन भारत का आईन नाफिज हुआ। अब मैं एक शेर के साथ रुखसत होती हूँ। करो कुछ ऐसा कि देश का इस दिन पूरे हिंदुस्तान में सरकारी छुट्टी दी जाती है। यौम जमहूरिया हिंदुस्तान में 26 जनवरी 1950 से मनाया जाता है। इस दिन भारत का आईन नाफिज हुआ। हर साल ये परचम तिरंगा लहराया जाता है। इस दिन तिरंगा परचम लहराने के बाद हिंदुस्तानी तराना गाया जाता है। अब मैं एक शेर के साथ रुखसत होती हूँ। ऐ मेरे देश तुझको सलाम है मेरा, ऐ मेरे देश तुझको सलाम है मेरा, जीऊं तो ज़बां पे नाम हो तेरा, मरूं तो तिरंगा कफन हो मेरा। जय हिंद जय भारत।